That's so beautiful colors. I love this. So every time you see me pick up the new with the monomers, I always wipe off my bristles on the sides of the piece of paper towels right here. We'll pick up the second bead, tuck in the cuticles area. And using the belly of the bristle and guide the beads. And cap it with crystal clear. Sorry, did I move it too much? You still see me under the camera? And then tapered it on the side. I'm just fascinating because I'm swatching with you like you are seeing it live. And I also see it live when I'm swatching with you as well. I'm so excited because I'm like, you can add the unicorn on this one. And then also, you can add anything else, like anything else.
I guess the princess, right, for sure.
Number 9.